Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Tuesday, October 11, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be partly cloudy with a high of 87 degrees and a low of 61 degrees. It's finally feeling like fall.
Yay! Today's lunch options are ranch chicken club flatbread, Italian chicken salad, and cheese pizza sticks.
Sounds good. Yep. I might get cheese pizza sticks. Here's Kessler with an important announcement.
Woo.
Hi. The magical creator of the Disney company, Walt Disney, was dyslexic. He would say, if you can dream it, you can do it.
Wow.
Walt Disney!
The book fair is running now through Friday, and it will also be opening during the fall festival.
I can't wait to get some books during the fall festival. Weird but true. Toads don't have warts. Those bumps are called skin glands.
What? That does not make sense.
Ew.
Today in history, in 1968, NASA launches the Apollo 7 mission.
The Apollo 7. Interesting. So cute I can't. In late October, Point Loma, California residents received quite a surprise when they found a sea lion taking a nap in the middle of the road. Though it's unusual for the animal to stray so far from water, officials from SeaWorld checked the sea lion out and determined that she was in tip-toe shape. She was in tip-top shape. It seems that even sea lions need a change of scenery sometimes. Yeah, I guess so.
Bet you didn't know, the Olympics used to give medals for art, not just sports.
What?
Did Pablo Picasso get a gold medal?
So, no running around at all?
Now here's Archer and Josiah for the joke of the day.
Hey Archer, what type of flooring do alligators have in their homes?
I don't know what.
Reptiles.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Evan.
And I'm Everett.
That's Larry, and that's Fiona.
Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, 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 bum.